The area violator Oumuamua is rotating randomly and will conduct on making so for more than rather than a trillion year. How is the finding of New Belfast study how has discussed in part the lighting healthy off the sig-shaped asteroidal of external our sunny framework. It is yet else scheming conclusion on the odd subject how has charmed scientists with its opening behind in October. Oumuamua comes of a various celebrity framework. Its way through the sky confirms it does not occur in our sunny neighborhood. Initially, it was mined the subject could be a comet, but it displays no of the classical behavior anticipated of these space wanderers, such as a dust, water supply ice particulate plume. Oumuamua is in all probability an asteroidal, although in a very extraordinary form. It has been outlined as reminiscent a sig or pickle, wherever the longest measurement is above 200 meter. The Tsarina's crew requested to set the accurate environment and bet of the subject's rotating. To do the team investigated variations in its luminance above period. Nearly once, Dr. Mill, an associate, could see how it was not rotating regularly little asteroids, but rotating randomly. It was acrobatics. Cast it in the air one way and it will rotate above uniformly on a solitary axle, cast it up elseway and it is probable to do the or rotate above in an seemingly random path. It rapidly starts to oscillation about randomly, and how's which we urge acrobatics, he tells bearer Chris Lintott. The largest possible explain is how Oumuamua has been hit by else subject at several spot in its story. The crew can't say precisely while how happened, but which they can say is how the acrobatics will go on for at low a trillion year. Same acrobatics in fact causes stresses and strains domestic to the subject, and how slow but certainly squeezes and pulls on the subject fair love tides on the land to shoot power of the rotation, explains Dr. Mill. The moisturizing trial conducted a really length period. Dr. Mill says it is sensible to suppose the clash occurred in Oumuamua's own star framework it was later kicked of. He's difficult to aware if it was for Earth forming or following the Earth forming trial, he tells Chris. Surely, more than collisions occur time planets are increasing rather than subsequently, so how's a really nice wonder. But sadly we can't get a top resolution picture of the item to see which type of crater is on it, how might be ascribed to the clash, how inflicted it to begin acrobatics. The search is now on for more than Oumuamua-like objects. Extrapolating of the one opening, down there ought to be several 10,000 of them fleeting via our sunny framework within the orbital of Neptune. The anxiety is, creature so little and black, they are very difficult to place. In its initial glass and excellent digital chamber, it will picture the whole visible sky of its stance in Chile each few nights. If whatever is driving through the heaven, it will be difficult to flee the focus of the LSST. It is mainly the ultimate kind of instrument to discover objects. Love Oumuamua. We wait to discover 100s of them in the LSST, Dr. Mill says.